So Bella just let her ball roll. Basha just took it. And Basha's ball is ground, so let's see what Bella does. Bella grabs Basha's ball. This is good. And Bella has her ball back. Very nice, Basha. Bella doesn't seem to be relaxing, but... And we got the zippers. Basha, what was that about? Bella did do a leg lift, I will add. You worn out yet? I've got Bella on my arm, which is growing very tired. And more zippies. You need to contain yourself, sweetie. You want to go outside? Come on, let's go outside. Come on, let's go outside. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. There we go. And this is what happens when she has the zippies. She stares inside the window. And then proceeds to jump on the door. And jump up here. This is what the zippies look like. There she is outside the window, outside the door. Pacing outside the door. Jumping. Jumping. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna lock Bella up to protect her and see if I can't bring Basha inside. Oh. Wow. This is good. Hold on for part 2.